Good afternoon, ClaimTek team, and welcome to another Friday 5 at 5 to Thrive. This is going to be a little bit of a special edition where I'm going to be introducing you to Chris Cushman. He's one of our business development managers here at ClaimTek. And Chris had sat on the board of directors for over 15 years in a hospital here in Orange County, California. And he's actually ran 3 different medical clinics and sits as an advisory council member on multiple medical societies as well. So Chris is going to be talking to us today about elevating our status and having quality conversations with private practice healthcare providers who we are positioning you to talk as the CFO and have these high-level meetings. So Chris, thanks so much for joining us today. And please share with our team what you feel they should be doing to elevate their status and really create some optimal engagements with practice professionals.
Great, looking forward to it, Brian. Thanks for having me. I'm enjoying the time to do this with our team. The mindset that we're hoping you're going to embrace as you go through the 3 daily action steps will become more confident, and exuding that confidence will give you some leverage. As you know, in direct communication with your practices that you're engaging with, the direct communication can be a challenging one. They're on defense. I want to explain to you a little bit about the mindset of the people you're going to be engaging with, how to get through the gatekeeper respectfully, quickly, and send a message that's going to stand out and be very unique. The mindset I'm hoping you have as a Chief Financial Officer encompasses more than a dozen of the products and services that we offer you as a licensee. And as you'll see in a moment, calling in with just one product might position you as a commodity in the eyes of the staff you're speaking to. And you're hearing things such as, we don't have the money, or not now, or we do it ourselves, or we outsource, or we're already taken care of. So the mindset I'm hoping you're finding here at this stage and with this message today is you're going to stand out as a very unique opportunity, and you're sending a message that's going to turn things around to an offensive position. And you'll likely have the front desk, the gatekeeper, the office manager we're ultimately trying to secure our appointment with, helping you as opposed to being in a defensive posture. So is the message I hope you have and the confidence you have in leading. That's a very important message for the office manager. It's their role to save $1 million a year, and they're going to ask, Chris, how are you going to do that? And that's the conversation a CFO is focused on. So it's a great place for us to start.
Yeah, that's an excellent place to start, and that's a great way to, get. Hi, welcome to ClaimTek sneak peek of our Friday 5 at 5 to Thrive video series. This is a coaching series for our licensees who are developing, building, and growing their own businesses in the healthcare field across this great nation. We've been helping entrepreneurs become successful in the healthcare market since 1993, and we're the best in the business at doing it. We've invested millions in developing the right systems that are cutting edge to help entrepreneurs keep their costs low while maximizing their potential throughout the marketplace. So I encourage you to, watch a little bit more about ClaimTek on our website at ClaimTek.com. Listen to some of our business owners who are out there in the field building and growing this business with us. We've got individuals from all walks of life. So if you want to be an entrepreneur in the healthcare field, it's up to you to make it happen by connecting with a company that has the resources to be able to make you successful like ClaimTek. So I encourage you to register at ClaimTek.com, and we'll be happy to provide you all the information so you can make an educated decision for yourself that ClaimTek is the best opportunity in the healthcare business to become a successful entrepreneur. We hope to see you soon so we can help you unlock your potential.